Hello, everyone. We continue again with our series on idioms. So, I'm going to give you five more idioms today that will give you an idea and it'll help you in your spoken English to become more of a native speaker. Idioms are, as idioms are muhavras, right? So, when you use a muhavra in Hindi, the same effect happens that people think that you know the language well. So if you do the same thing in English, it'll also help you. Okay, it makes you sound like a native speaker. So the first one is head to toe, sir se pair tak. I was drenched in water from head to toe. Okay, सिर से पैर तक मैं पानी भरा हुआ था. ठीक है, तो सिर से पैर तक head to toe. Second is give or take, मतलब ले देकर. तो ले देकर मेरी क्लास में 25 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. Give or take, I have 25 students in my class. Right? So, and the third one is very important because in India people have a habit of using and. So we will say biscuit and cake. Please don't use the whole and. Use biscuit and cake. N, not and N. Pecans and almonds. Pecans and almonds nahi. Pecans and almonds. Biscuit and cake. Okay. Now, fourth one is given the fact. Given the fact. मतलब अगर, जैसे मतलब अगर मेरे पास 20 वर्कर्स हैं तो मैं काम 30 दिन में ख़त्म कर दूंगा. So given the fact that I have 20 workers, I can finish the work in 30 days. Okay? And the fifth one is how do you deal with it? यार कैसे कर लेते हो ये तुम? Like, how do you deal with a bad boss? यार तेरा बॉस इतना खराब है तो कैसे सह लेता है उसको? How do you deal with it? Okay, इंडिया में बहुत होता है ना बॉस खराब. So how do you deal with it? Your boss is such a jerk. Right? One, head to toe, give or take, pumpkin and almonds, N. Okay? Given the fact, how do you deal with it in your daily speaking, and keep speaking English. Keep trying. Keep making mistakes because who cares? I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.